Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Moto G62 5G does have these stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and first one is on top right here. Next is a phone call speaker right here on the screen, and the last one is on the bottom right here. Now, to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's test that. And I can already confirm that the sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that would confirm that this device does have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.